Squeeze tight. All right. Go ahead and put your black wire to gold, white wire to silver, and copper to green. Green like the wall.
The wall's turquoise.
Turquoise is a kind of green, right?
Green and blue. I don't think it wants to go.
There it is. Now turn it. Turn it so it's straight. There you go. And hear that click?
Yeah.
You're in. Go ahead and tighten that down. As tight as you can get it. That tightens it. All right, you got it, right?
Yep.
And tighten that down. Then what's the last one?
Copper to green.
Copper to green.
There.
Good job. So we have black to gold, white to silver, and copper to green. All right, now when you're stuffing it in the wall, the most important part is the ground wire, the copper wire, cannot touch any of these screws on either side. And it's going to be tough stuffing it in because there's a lot of extra wire there. You kind of have to bend it back and forth. Here, I'll show you. You want to hold that? All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to push all of these wires flat all the way to the bottom and then bend them back up so that they have one fold in here. See? They have one fold going to the bottom and then back up to the top. That allows the copper to stay at the bottom and not touch anything else. All right. There it is. All right, that's enough, that's enough. You don't want to strip it. Okay, that's good. Oh golly, does this, oh yeah, it'll work fine. That'll be fine.
Such small screws. Are these screws gonna be long enough?
Yes, they are tiny screws, but you know what they're screwing into?
What?
Take a look at the hole.
You see?
Yeah, that little hole. Now we're gonna come back in here later and fix this once your mom is not bedridden. Because that's mom's job, right?
Yes.
Try to hold it as straight against the wall, perpendicular to the wall as possible. Is it going in?
I don't know how tiny the screw is.
Here. Yeah, it's going in. Doesn't have to be super tight. There, perfect.
They're so tiny.
Yeah, don't lose them. Those are valuable screws. Very valuable.
It's trying to go in wrong.
There it goes. Remember, it doesn't have to be all that tight.
But I like tight things.
Yeah, but you could break the thing.
They can't fall.
All right, look at that. Good job, Eden.